guys, it's Coco, and today we are going to be trying out the new breakfast wraps from Panera. Alright guys, today I went to pick up some breakfast wraps from Panera. They are the new ones that you see in the commercial. I got 3 of the wraps, which is all of the wraps. The chipotle one, there's a chipotle chicken, there's a Mediterranean egg white, and there is a bacon, egg, and cheese wrap. Reminds me of Taco Bell. And today my setup is just, I'm in our patio. It's kind of hot. I kind of regret like filming here, but I want to kind of like give it a little bit of a different ambience, so we're not always stuck in our handy dandy couch, or we're not always stuck in our spaceship car. So it's a little bit today. Got some decaf coffee, large decaf coffee. All right, let's see. First, I'm all about wraps. I love wraps because for me wraps are like light. It's not too much carbs like sandwiches, you know. Sandwiches kind of like too much bread. So I'm all about that wrap life. And you know, Panera, they always make their wraps or their food like on a healthy side, so love Panera for that. And they offer these wraps just till 11 a.m. so if you are trying to get these wraps, you gotta get them from, I don't know, like 6 to 11. So these are available from that time. All right, I believe this is the Mediterranean wrap. The wraps are like wheat wraps. Ooh, looks really healthy. Spinach, tomato, feta, egg white. I'm all about that feta life. Oh wow. This is good too because the wrap, you know how like sometimes wraps are like just tortilla and the tortilla gets soggy right away? This wheat wrap that they have is like really sturdy and like a different wrap. Like a high quality wrap that it doesn't sog up your food. I wish I had salsa. You know what I'm gonna get? I'm gonna get my chili paste. Whew, this is good with chili paste for sure. And this is good with salsa too, but I don't have salsa. Chili paste. I use the sriracha one. The sriracha one isn't that spicy. Whoa. So I put it in there. So healthy. Egg white, roasted tomato, spinach, feta. And there's like a dressing in there that's like balsamic. So good. This is so good. I love coffee in the morning, but I can't drink a regular. Yesterday I did keto. I didn't make any video yesterday because I worked all day. Sorry about that. I dripped. Let's try the other one. I have 2 more wraps. Bacon, egg, and cheese in here. I think this is the chicken chipotle. Ooh, chipotle sauce, chicken, egg on this one, and avocado. Oh my god, wait. This is gonna be my favorite, I feel like. Avocado, chicken, chipotle, and scrambled egg. Whoa, that's screamy. This is my favorite, yeah. I bit it from the bottom. Let's put chili paste, because I don't have hot sauce. These wraps are so good. It tastes so healthy and gourmet. Like, wow. The only thing that's missing, I feel like they should have like salsa side. I know you're gonna be like, oh, it's not a Mexican wrap, but it tends to get dry sometimes. So good. There's so much egg. Like they put a lot of egg. Like these wraps has a lot of filling. They fill up the wraps good. Good. I picked it up. Coco. It's just really easier to type Coco and it's easier to remember. So, Coco for the win. Let's go back to the Mediterranean. This is so good too. Wow, I just dropped. Keep dropping stuff here. The Mediterranean is just like roasted tomato, egg white spinach, and some balsamic. But it's so flavorful. Like it's so light. Like you won't get sick of it. So good. I'm all about that balsamic taste. Cause it's so refreshing. I'm not gonna lie, it's so hot here in the patio. I don't know why I filmed here. I have a really good video for you tomorrow. And I'm not eating all day. This is all I'm eating today. Avocado. The chicken is like spread out. Like one bite of it is all avocado and one bite is all like egg. And there's not a lot of chicken. I haven't been in the chicken yet here in the chicken chipotle. You guys, I need my napkin. I'll be right back. These wraps are good. It fills me up. Wow. I'm like so full right now. I don't understand because I eat too much, but how am I full? Alright guys, let's try the last one. The bacon, egg and cheese scramble on the wrap. Pretty basic, everybody has this, but you know what? Theirs is good quality. Oh wait, wow. This is so good. This scrambled egg, cheese, and bacon. The wrap is so toasty. It's really close to like a naan bread, but so soft. There's like a really sweet taste or sauce in the scrambled eggs and bacon. I like that. So good. Egg, bacon, melted cheese, and there's a sweet sauce. Totally forgot what it is. And my phone is inside, so I don't want to get it. It's like 91 degrees here in Minnesota right now, so I'm not used to it anymore. I used to live in the Philippines and I can handle any heat, but now it's like after like 9 years or 8 years, I can't handle the heat anymore. So there's chipotle chicken, scrambled eggs and bacon and cheese, and the Mediterranean for vegetarians. Honestly, all of them are so good. Like the Mediterranean too, even though there's no meat, is so good. I love Mediterranean food too. It's so flavorful. Mediterranean food is so flavorful and like a lot of veggies all the time. So it's like a lot of veggies, but they have like a lot of flavors going on all the time in their dishes. So Mediterranean is like one of the healthiest, I think, cuisine. Mediterranean and Japanese, I know. American is not one of the healthiest foods in the world. All I know is Japanese and Mediterranean, because they focus a lot on veggies. Japanese focuses on a lot of seafood and raw and veggies, and like Mediterranean is all like veggies. Random fact for today. Last bite of the avocado chicken. It's so good. Okay. The 3 wraps, so good. Honestly, I would get all of it again. But my favorite, you know, honestly, I thought to myself, my favorite is gonna be the avocado chipotle chicken, because it's chicken and chipotle and avocado. But the Big Bang in my mouth, the most flavorful one, honestly, you ready? Is the Mediterranean wrap. The one with no meat, I know. That's the best one, in my opinion. This one too, the second one actually is the scrambled eggs and cheese. There's like a honey inside, so it's like sweet. It's not just like your regular wrap that's scrambled eggs, bacon wrap, but like there's honey inside, so it's like sweet. I'm like, whoa, that's good. But the first one that I like is the Mediterranean. Can you believe it? Dude, it's so flavorful, like what? And you can literally taste the quality. So good. So good. This is the only one that's left. And I'm not gonna finish it because I'm really full. And you guys know I don't overeat anymore. So it's Sunday today, and tomorrow we're gonna start my keto diet. I'm lying. I started yesterday. I did keto all day yesterday. But I mean, today I ate carbs. So tomorrow I'm not eating till tomorrow again at this time. And I have a really good video for you, so you make sure you stay tuned in, okay? Okay? Alright guys, I love you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.